Hello everyone, welcome back to the Travel Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Modern Warfare 2.0 or Modern Warfare is having lost connection to host or server connection is timed out, and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into it. So the first one is all about we have to check the game server. So the issue must be with the game server. That is the reason why this is happening. So the connection lost to host as well as server connection timed out is always related to server. So first thing, go to the Twitter page and check whether they're going through any kind of server issues. And if they're going through any kind of server issue, you don't have to worry. Just wait for their end to fix this up. Next one is all about you have to reboot the game as well as your device. For that, close the game, and once you're done with closing the game, go over here at the top, go to exit. So you have to exit the Steam as well. Once after that, open the Steam, then just go over here and reboot the game. Once you're done with this, try to play the game and you can see the changes. This is very important. Next one is you have to reset the router. So this is actually with you just have to turn off the router. Just wait for a couple of minutes, like 1 to 3. Then after that, turn on the router, then check after this has worked or not. If not, let's move to next one. Next one, it is all about you have to do is you just have to update the game. So right now, as you can see, the game is not updated, so you just have to update the game. So updating the game will fix the issue. So if there is no update, you just have to click on Call of Duty over here. Now just go to properties, now go to local file, click on update, and over here as you can see, now there are 3 options. Always keep this game updated, only update this game when I launch it, then high priority. So always set this to always keep this game updated, so that the game will be always up to date. So you'll be getting the notifications to update whenever it is necessary, so just update it. So that is also working as it is. Next one is all about you have to launch the game as an administrator. For that, just click over here on the library on the respective game, that is Call of Duty. Go to properties, go to local file, click on browse. So now as you can see, this is the installation folder. So over here now there is COD. Okay, now you just have to select the respective one, right click and go to show more options, go to properties, go to compatibility and click on run this program as an administrator. Now once it is done, you just have to close everything and try to launch the game, and you can see the differences. Next one, and the last and the least one, is all about you have to verify integrity of game file. For that, just click over here, right click and go to properties, go to local file, click on verify integrity of game file, so that it's going to take a little bit of time. So the game is around 66.64 GB, so it's going to take a little bit of time, so you just have to wait for it. And this will fix the issue if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by verify integrity of game file. So once it is done, most probably the issue will be completely fixed, and these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when you are having this issue. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.